Hello my dear crafters. So today I launched my Valentines Series 2024. I hope you enjoy it and you get to make some of these beautiful things that I'm going to show you next. And do always check my playlist called Valentines, because you have projects from previous years and they're just as nice, and you don't have to just watch this year's Valentine's series. So I am going to start with the gift boxes, and I'm going to actually end with my favorite project this year, and it's just, I keep looking at it and said, wow, I really love it. So let's begin by showing you the gift boxes. This is actually the first one that you're going to see. This one was not Valentine's related. This was like my test one, but I wanted to show you anyway, because most of these things that I'm going to show you, you can actually make them all year long. It doesn't have to be Valentine's. This can be a gift for, this is actually for someone I know. The birthday is coming, so it can be a birthday box. Most of this stuff, you just change the paper, change the ephemera, and you can make it all year long, for Christmas, for anything really. So this is the first one that you're going to see. So this one is 100% Valentine's, loads of hearts, and the colors are very Valentine's too. These are great boxes. This one I closed with this clip here, but you can see that it's a great size, and you can put a lot of chocolates and goodies inside, so it will depend on what you're giving away. That's the first one that you're going to learn. I absolutely love this box, and of course, because it is shaped like this, you can make it look like a mailbox, and you can have like the, you know, this on the side here, that's flap that you can, you know, that you let them know that you have mail. But just use your creativity. That's the first one, and I'm sure you are going to love it. So let me move to the second box, gift box for the Valentine's series. And here's the second one. I love this box and I love making it. So easy, so simple to make. I am going to show you how to open it. So this one I added this little tag here, heart. And again, you can just make this box all year long. It's very easy. All my projects, you know, I like to keep it simple and make your life simple, so that's how it opens. It's a good size as well. And there is the best way to close it is just to hold the heart, pull it through, hold the heart again, and you're done. So you're going to learn how to make this one, and you can also have like a window. This one is full of Hershey Kisses inside. Love this paper. That's you might remember this from my Michael's haul. So you can add anything you want. You can add more tags here. And this one, I just added this little tag with the love and also a little heart. So very nice box as well. And I love this one because it has the heart. So it's really perfect for Valentine's. So here's another one with that same paper, different paper here with a little tag to and from. So just use your paper, but that's the other gift box that I'm making for Valentine's. So let's keep on moving and I'll show you the third one. And here it is. This one 100% Valentine's, because that's what I used in terms of paper. But again, it's a gift box for all year long. But very nice. It's a pillow box. But the big thing that I love about this is that you can actually hold it, because it comes with this. It's part of the cutting die. So here's another one. This one is super decorated for Valentine's with this little bowl, and you actually open it from the sides like this. So very easy to make also. Look at that. Very good size as well. You can use it to you know, fill it up. You can actually, it's a very good size. I don't have I'll show you in the video, you'll see, but look how beautiful it is. It has this hold, this handle here that really makes a big difference. I really like, because usually we see the pillow boxes, it's just this part here, but the fact that it comes with the handle makes all the difference, and it also comes with some decoration parts here. You can decorate the side as well. So a very good size box, and it's our third of the series. So let's keep moving, and I will show you now. I'm going to show you a gift box that I created. Look at this. I love this gift box that I created with a lid. And the different thing that I did here was the lid is acetate, so you actually see what's inside. And one of the things that I really liked, and when I was doing all the calculations for the size, was I wanted to make sure that you could use it for different types of chocolate. So you have this one that's heart shaped, and I'll have the links below to all these chocolates, but you can also use the Hershey's Nuggets and the Hershey's Kisses. Look, this one is with the nuggets, and I use the word love on top. But same thing, you can really use the kind of chocolate that you have, because these are very easy to find. So these are the Hershey Nuggets. And again, this one is heart-shaped, and you can decorate just something simple. So because really what you want to show is what's inside, and that's why I made it with the lid with acetate. But look at that, very good size as well. You can fill it up with Hershey Kisses if you want to, but just use it for small gifts, for jewelry, whatever you have in mind. So that's another one that I created for this series, and you can use your beautiful double-sided paper because it is going to show, and that's what I tried to do here, to use double-sided paper because it has the acetate as a lid. So there you are. Let's keep on moving. Now it's time for lollipop holders. This is a fantastic project to do with your kids. I know that kids love to do Valentines. So I created something that you could make it yourself just for your friends and loved ones, but also that you could sit with your kids and make it, because it's so easy. And you will see in the tutorial. And of course, you can decorate it whichever way you want. This is the one that I used, the lollipop that I used. So it's right here, and it stands up like this on the table if you want, and you just decorate it. Very easy to do. Look at that. Great for having fun with your friends. Invite them over. Look at this. So it's all about the decoration really, and the paper that you use. And this is the one that we actually do together as part of the tutorial. So a lollipop holder that's quick to make and excellent for mass producing. So if you're searching for something that you can quickly make and make like 10, 20, this is really it. With a 12 by 12, I think you can make like 8 of these or even more. So that's the lollipop holder that's coming up. Just stay here. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, because then you always be updated on the projects. I'm going to have at least a video a week, but probably 2. So that's the next one. So we have 2 more projects to show, and the last one would be my favorite. So let's move on. And here is another cool, very quick gift to make, because it's basically a little box. That's what I teach you how to make, and you can use it for pencils. Great gifts for teachers, for your kids. You can sit with your kids and make these too, because it is very easy, and they can give it to their friends for school. So let me just show you a few. And I got these pencils here at Michael's. They had beautiful pencils for Valentine's. So it's a very quick one to make. Use your papers, the beautiful things in ephemera that you have. This one I used a bowl. So very nice, and one of those that you can give to anyone. I love these Valentine's Day little notes. And I bought these at Michael's. So there you are. That's the next one. Very simple to make, and you can give it to just so many people. And now let's look, guys, at my #1 project for Valentine's. I am absolutely in love with it. Just look at this. How cool is that? So this is a gift that you give to someone. They can keep it on their desk. And you have this beautiful, like a mason jar inside. And I used some some confetti, I guess that's what's called. And that's this thing that you use for shaker cards. But here's what's so special. Well, it's special because it's beautiful. But inside, you actually have a real message. This can even be like a very unique and creative Valentine's card. So you can just open this up and write your message here. So I have to get this out to put it back. But look how beautiful this is. And you decorate it whichever way you want. Let me show you another one. So this one has different confetti. It's not that one. It's one that I bought. I believe I got this one at Michael's. It's just these little hearts. But it's really, really unique and different thing that you can give to your friends. And let me show you the last one. Again, very decorated. Put a little bow here. And if they remove the Jason Mar, you have some more decoration there on the back. How cute is this, huh? So this is really my favorite one for the whole series, and I'm sure you're going to love it. And there you are. So that's what I have for my series. I may come up with some cards because I haven't included cards yet. Just keep on coming back. I may do that sometime. But I wanted to just focus on gift boxes and little gifts that you could make for your loved ones. But I will for sure make some cards as well. So I hope you enjoy it and just come here every week. You're going to have 1 or 2 videos a week, at least 1 or 2. And you're going to learn how to make all these beautiful things. And you're going to give the coolest gifts to your friends, okay? So thank you so much for your time and happy Valentine's. And let's get together for the new series. Thank you.